d'abord, je vais présenter moi-même.
A pak se představím sama. Výborně, výborně. Výborně, Kristý, super.
Alors, ça c'est le plus facile. Je m'appelle Hachino.
Tašeno?
Et puis, mon nom est Anurag Pagar.
No, neboli příjmení?
Non,
Anurag Pagar.
non, prénom. Et en fait, vous pouvez m'appeler Tak.
Ano, a to je? Tak to máte. Tak.
Parce que c'est mon surnom.
To je jako kdyby přezdívka, ano. No.
Et puis, j'ai 23 ans.
Aha, to vám pomáhá tak.
Je suis née à Bangkok de la Thaïlande.
Narodila se v Bangkoku, v Thajsku.
Et j'ai fini les études de l'université Thammasat. J'ai fini mes études.
Aha, dobře. A vy to tam máte anglicky, takže rozumíte.
Et j'ai appris le français.
J'ai appris le français, alors? Učila se v rámci tak proto na tak mluvím moc anglicky, jo?
Et ce sont mes amis. Et j'aime bien la cuisine. Et j'aime le voyage. Et j'aime le ski. Et j'aime de la boxe. De la boxe. Oui.
Attention, attention.
Okay. Now I will speak in English. Maybe it's easier for you. Okay. So if you see the presentation of the author, you can see the photo of their family, but not in my presentation because I have only the photo of my dogs. So dog come first. Okay. And for that book, I already saw you one time. Is that right? Okay. Never mind. You have to listen it again. Okay. For the new book, do you know something about Thailand? What? Okay.
So, what do you know about Thailand? Just tell her.
Okay. At first, I have to say that Thailand. Here in Thailand, not it's not the same country. And I come from here, not here. No, Taiwan. Okay. Because there's sometimes I told people that I am from Thailand, and they told me that okay, you are Chinese because Taiwan is a part of China. And I said, no, I'm not come from Taiwan, I come from Thailand. Okay. And this is Thailand. Okay. You can see, and Czech Republic is here. Here, yes, I can. So I took 16 hours in the airplane to come here. Yes. And this is some basic information about Thailand. So we have the officially name it is the Kingdom of Thailand. Because we still have king and queen, that's why we call kingdom. And in the past, our country is named Siam, but we changed the name from Siam to Thailand. After the big revolution, and Thailand is means land of freedom people. It is located in Southeast Asia. The population in Thailand is about 65 million people, and we have the capital city named Bangkok here. The population in Bangkok is 11 million people. So Bangkok is small city like this, and people in Bangkok be like this. So it is too small for all of us. We have the currency named baht. This is our money. And we can see his face everywhere. If you go to Thailand, you go to department store, to school, to company, you can see his face. And some of Thai people have his photo in the house because he is the king of Thailand. And we must respect him. This is a national flag. We have the same color, same as Czech flag, but we don't have the same meaning because red is mean Thailand and Thai people, and white is mean Buddhist because Buddhist is the national religion of Thailand, and blue is mean king and queen. This is our king. He is now 90 years old, but he has been a king since he was 14 years old. So he was very young. And this is some history of Thailand. Okay, you just notice on the screen, we have 4 kingdoms. That's why, that means we always have the king in Thailand. And in first period, we invent Thai alphabet that I can show you later. And the second kingdom, Ayutthaya, we had a lot of war in this period with other countries and also with Thai people. And last time the Burmese people burned this capital city, so we had to move the capital city from this one to this one. And this one is located in Bangkok. So Thonburi is the third kingdom, and it is side of Thonburi, and this is Bangkok. We have the very long river between 2 cities, and this is a photo of Bangkok. Okay, these are photos from Bangkok. You can see the difference between 2 photos because the first one is in the old town. We have a lot of temples and palaces, and if you can see, it is located near the very long river that I told you. And this side is the third kingdom. Okay, for the temple and palace, we use a lot of gold color because when the sun shines to the temple, it will be shiny. And by the way, in the new town, we have a lot of Thai buildings. So it seems like we live in the forest of concrete. This is the highest building in Bangkok. It has 134 floors. And Thailand is divided into 6 regions, but we don't have the name of region like in Czech. We just call northern, northeastern like this. And you can see. Okay. We have the border with 4 countries, Myanmar, Laos, Cambodia, and Malaysia. We have 2 sides of sea. The first one is the Gulf of Thailand. And the second one is Andaman Sea, which is more beautiful than the Gulf of Thailand. And moreover, if you look at the Thailand map, you can see that it looks like the elephant head. It looks like elephant head. Okay, we just flip the photo like this, and you can see. Okay. So this is a head of elephant. This is an ear of elephant, and this is a nose. Can you see? Is it like elephant? Yes, say yes, please say yes. And so, because we have a lot of islands, that's why we have a lot of beautiful beaches, and we can do a lot of activities like sunbathing on the beach, swimming, jet ski, and scuba diving like this to see the fishes under the sea. And the sea in Thailand is beautiful, are beautiful because the color is clear with blue and green colors, and the sand are white. Especially in this photo, you can see the way of sand here. It will appear only in the afternoon because in the morning and in the evening, the sea will cover the sand. So if we stuck in this island, we cannot come back to the main island because we don't have the way to come back. We must swim to come back. And these are the photos of the sea in Thailand. Yeah. And And we also have mountains like this. In this photo, you can see fog. And if we go up into the mountain, in front of us, we can see the sea of fog. That's what we call this one. And it seems like we are floating in the sky. Moreover, we have the waterfall, the different waterfalls, a lot of waterfalls in Thailand, like this. And we can do the activity in the jungle too. For example, we go up on the elephant and take a ride into the jungle, and also canoe kayak like this. This is a capital city, Bangkok. We have a lot of shopping malls, big shopping malls, and a lot of cars. So we can have traffic jam almost every year, almost everywhere and almost every time. And this is a high building from Bangkok. In the evening, the city will be full of light from buildings. And this is Grand Palace. This is famous for the tourists. This one, a lot of gold color. And moreover, Bangkok has a very long, has the longest city name of the world. So normally Thai people don't call Bangkok because Bangkok is a very old name. We call Krungthep because Krung, this one, is mean city, and Thep is mean angel. And we call, okay, I will pronounce for you. กรุงเทพมหานคร อมร รัตนโกสินทร์ มหินทรายุทธยา มหาดิลก พงศ์นพรัตน์รัชธานีบุรีลมอุดมราชนิเวศ มหาสถาน อมรวิมานอวตารสถิต สักกทัตติยะ วิษณุกรรมประสิทธิ์ So it's a whole name of Bangkok. Yes, it's not very long, just 20 seconds. 30 seconds. Okay, and now I will choose someone to pronounce this name. You know who will I choose? Who want to talk this name? Okay, I will choose you.
No, to się nacisnął na przeciw Bangkok.
I saw you that you had a punishment because you were late with acid. Yes, and now. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
What I would like to know.
Okay, you have to.
This?
Yes, all of this. What is this?
This is
To vrchní prší.
this is some weird words.
No, not some weird word. Okay, this is what this is? Yes.
No.
Mhm. So now it's your turn.
With English pronunciation or
Yes, you can
So-
have this.
soprano the
All of this.
what?
Just talk, just speak.
Yes, Grand Pamana Kon Amontyatana Kosin Mahintai Chaya Mahatilot Nupan Chacha Chuchu Kundakani Vedamaha Namon Himana Patashi Sakata Yavitsanu Kamprasi.
Thank you. Okay. It was good anyway. Okay. Okay, for eating, Thai people will do the Y like this. This is called Y. Even the McDonald's in Thailand, you can see these boys do the Y. If you go to another country, they will be sit like this. Can you see the McDonald's boy? You have this in Czech Republic? Yes, because normally the McDonald's will do like this. Like this, can you remember? Like this, or maybe like just like this. But in Thailand, he does like this. And it's not difficult to do because, okay, you can do together. Put your hand together like this. Yeah. And 1, 2, 3, you have to write it. Yeah. Okay, and it's called wide. And we will learn just some words in Thai. Okay. The first one is สวัสดี Can you say สวัสดี Yeah, this means obedient. And then ขอบคุณ This means agree. And then ขอโทษ Yeah, this means sorry. But normally Thai people will say this word at the same time when we do why. And smile. Almost all Thai people are very kind and friendly. And we always smile. So that's why the tourists call us Thailand is a land of smile. But in fact, in the past, Thai people, especially old people, didn't understand English, so they smile as the answer. For tuk-tuk is the most popular transportation in Bangkok, so because it is really fast and cheap, you can see tuk-tuk around the city. Because normally the tourists, when they come to Thailand, they will take the tuk-tuk to visit the city. And normally the car move like this, but tuk-tuk move like tuk-tuk. So it comes from the noise of the car. And food, yes. Thai foods are famous because of the combination of 5 tastes: salty, sweet, sour, bitter, and especially spicy. So you can see spicy dishes everywhere. And rice is the main dish of Thai foods because we eat rice every day and every time for the breakfast, for the lunch, and for the dinner. Okay, the first one is the soup of shrimp. It is really spicy and sour because we put a lot of herbs like ginger, onion, chili, lemon, and another herbs. And the second one is green curry soup with coconut milk and chicken, so it's spicy too. And the last one, I think it's the most famous for the foreigner because it's fried noodle and it's not spicy. Okay. These are the photo of Thai food. So you can see that Thai food are colorful because we use the color of vegetable and meat and mix it together. We also like the decoration like this. You can see it comes from carrot because we Thai people we have the concept traditional carving food and vegetable like this. You can see. So we can have the watermelon, tomato, carrot, or anything else. And Thai food are healthy because we eat a lot of vegetables. The first one is green papaya salad, and this is Thai Thai traditional food. It's vegetable and fish, and we also eat herb and vegetable like this: leaf, ginger, garlic, chili, and moreover we have seafood over here. We can eat crab, shrimp, fish, and of course with spicy sauce over here. Okay. For the architecture, we have the many styles of architecture. So the first one, you can see, it looks like Angkor Wat because we were influenced by Cambodia. It is in the first kingdom, and it is second kingdom. We have Thai style, and this is pagoda with the form of bell. And now today, we mix between modern style and Thai style together. And you can see Thai style that the roof of Thai style will be like this, triangle like this, with gold color. So it is Thai style. And we also have identity of us. The first one is Thai language. We have 44 letters and 72 vowels. And I will show you my name. So maybe some of you will say, what I wrote. So this is my first name, Tan Chanok, and this is my last name, Anurat Pagan. Okay, even in Thai, my last name is too long. And we also have Thai musical instruments like this, and Thai drama and Thai dancing. You can see that we have gold color everywhere. Because we believe that gold color show that we are rich, we are elegant, sophisticated, so we are so shiny. That's why we use gold color. Okay, and now, this card you know how to pronounce it. Yes, you can. Can you remember? Yes, like this. Okay, Thai difficult is difficult. Thai language is difficult because we have 5 different tones. That means mid, low, falling, high, and rising. So these words are pronounced pa 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 pa. Okay, so it's not the same words and it's not just for fun because if a tone change, the meaning also change like this. Okay, we will say together and you guys will, even you will have this. Okay, the first one, pa. Pa, yes, it means tall. Pa. It means forest. Pa. It means aunt. And then pa. It means daddy. And then pa. It means daddy. Okay, so you can see the. Okay, now we will pronounce at the same time. Ba 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 ba. And you can see that it's not the same. You can see this is a vowel like this. You can see. And we also have another word like ma 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 ma. For example, the tone is important because, for example, if we want to call grandmother, we must call ma, ma, like this. But if we call ma, ma, it means we call grandmother is a dog. So that's called. That's why we have to think that the tone is important. And this is like just we must have very elastic hand. And Thai dance move very slow, very slow. And for Thai boxing, we can use every part of body from head to toe. We can use head, hand, elbow, knee, leg, and feet. And this is a famous boxer from Thailand. He is a champion of boxing. And the second one, he is the actor. If you see Fast and Furious 7, you will see him in the movie. Somebody saw Fast and Furious? Can you remember him? Okay, good. You are the first one that can remember him. And okay. For me, elephant is normal for me. When I see elephant, okay, it's just elephant. Because in Thailand we have a lot of elephants. And elephant is a national animal of Thailand because in the past the kings used elephant to make a war with Arthur. And in Thailand, the elephant has many talents like sport, drawing, like him. And I will just show you something because they already saw the kid. And I will just show you. So they can go. It's a message from elephant. Yes, and okay. So in Thailand we have a lot of festivals, but it is my favorite festival because it takes place 3 days per year. It takes place from 13 April to 15 April and it's called Songkran Day. It is important because it is Thai New Year celebration. We go to temple to make the merit and go to see our parents and grandparents to respect the order and make a wish. And this festival we call water war because we will have the gun in our hand is to even see and we can throw water to people. That means this festival everybody will get wet. Like this in the film. It's famous for foreigner too. So during this festival, if you don't want to be wet, you must stay at your home. Because if you get out from your home, You have to take a shower again. And this is a tuk-tuk that I told you. So there are people in this festival. And I will just show you some photo of Thailand. So we have Thai letters and we also have Thai number like this. So it's not the same number as you. And there is one case that I want to show you. Because Thailand we have a very hot weather, so the climate is really hot and the temperature is always high. So we have water park. You have this in Philippines too. Water park like this. But in Thailand we have a very big. The first one is from Cartoon Network. Do you know it? Powerpuff Girls. Do you know Powerpuff Girls? Powerpuff Girls. Yes, the two. And this is a big, yes, like this. And we have 23 water parks in Thailand, at least 23. And this is my favorite. You can see on this, it is a very big. We go with the, how to say, this plastic thing, I don't know what to say. We go like this, and then we go down, and pop like this, and then you can see clearly like this. It's very big. And we have maybe more than 10 toboggans. Yeah. You can see. You can see it. And it's very exciting. Yes, and that's all. So thank you for your attention.